Hi Vintage Living friends, we got a drop off today and first glance it looks like a whole bunch of arrows. Like I touched this, I'm like, okay, this is 70s polyester. I know what this feels like all day. This already just feels like some 50s fit and flare dresses. But then I'm like, oh, this feels like silk bias velvet. And then this is kind of like, I don't know, I'm guessing by the finish on the edges, maybe 20s. So let's start to take a look, all right? This is like always the most fun boxes that we get. It's like decades and decades from somebody's collection. So, okay, I was right, like a 50s fit and flare. Super cute, love the colors. She needs a little bit of a wash. So we'll put her over here, a little cotton. Oh, this looks like another 50s. I'm terrible at flowers, but I'm guessing this is Lily of the Valley. I don't know, lilac, something like that. This 70s poly, like nice stretch, kind of indestructible. This guy's black, not my favorite, but it's kind of cool. And then of course, let's see, this looks like this would be the slip. Oh, it's like a 30s one. Bright colors, really great. All right, nice long, good condition. A little gentler with this guy. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, it's two pieces. Okay, let's see. I know, it's like crazy. This comes all like kind of crumpled up. Oh my God, look at the lines. Can you see that? That is nuts. I'm not seeing like any holes or anything. So then what is this? Is this the, this is so exciting. It's like the bolero with like a sleeve type shouldery thing. All right, now I'm like, what else is gonna be in this box? I think we might have to get like hangers. And I think we're gonna hang this stuff up. All right, we're gonna change the trajectory of this video. Okay, hold on. All right, so we just hung all of the pieces. They are pretty incredible. So as suspected, we do have some 50s pieces. So there's this one here. Let's see. This guy. And then the one from the beginning. And this one from the beginning, right? So we've got those. They all need like a little bit of a wash. And then we found this 70s piece along with the black one, and which is here. And then we started to uncover 20s magic. Look at this sage green insanity. Jackie and I like totally gasped. Absolutely stunning. So she's going to need a bit of a steam and then a more proper hanger. We found this one. What? Like, you just don't see this color. I mean, once we steam this one, it is going to look absolutely insane. It's all beaded. We got some prong set rhinestones, a cowl neck. We have a little bit, I think, of shattering on the interior here, so we're not going to leave her on the hanger anywhere like past this video. These are going to be making their way to eBay. We have like this little like 20s handmade top also. This one probably had a dress at some point. There's a dress that looks like it matches it, but I don't know. But if you look, the sleeves have bows that are handmade. Crazy. This was the one that kind of sparked my interest from the beginning. These butterfly sleeves are gorgeous. It's all bias. The slip is underneath here. I can't wait to steam these out. This one is also 20s, but it's the dress and it's just falling apart. It's so super sad. I mean, it's just like disintegrating in my hands. Speaking of disintegrating, we've got this guy also, but just look at that color and that workmanship is insane. But you can see the lining here is silk and it's just falling apart. Probably had a dress at one point. So I'm just kind of not clear if this dress goes with that bow accented bolero. Maybe, but the seam work is intensely gorgeous. This is like a bit of a skirt. I'm just gonna have to wash it. I can't wait. That's like my happy place, but the waistband has been taken out. There is this guy, which is the silk velvet one that was peeking out at the beginning. Look at these sleeves. intensely gorgeous, and they have like a bit of a lame feel to them, and a great size too in the silk velvet. There's this one too. You can see the little like silk velvet roses, bias cut, really heavy, and it does have the slip underneath, and that is all she wrote. So all one person's collection, and they're going to be making their way to eBay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing today. Have a great day.